Here's 18. It says factor 21x squared minus x minus 2. Well, 21 right here, it's great when it's just an x squared because then we know it's just an x and an x. But in this case, you got a little bit more. It's got to be something times something here to give you 21. There's a couple possibilities. There's 21x times the x. There's also probably the 7x times 3x. And those are really only our possibilities, 7x and 3x. Now I'm leaving room because I know there could be quite a few other things here for the final number, but actually, since it's a 2, the only things that multiply together to give me a 2 are a 1 and a 2. So it would have to be a 1 here and a 2 here, or I could flip them. It could be 21x and the 2 goes with him and the 1 goes over here with the x. That's the only possibility. Or down here, the 1 and the 2, or the 2 goes with the 7x and with the 3x the 1. Every time I got to list this and then I got to flip them to figure it out. Luckily, since it was a 2, that made it really easy. If it had been like a 10, I would have also, I had a 1 and a 10 and a 2 and a 5 and I had to try a bunch of other things. But it wasn't. So let's go in here and see. What we need is we need a difference. Now one of these has got to be negative and one of them is positive. That's the only way to create a negative 2. What I'm going to do is I'm simply going to say, hey, here's 1x. That's 42x. Is there any way you can produce just a difference of 1 there? No. There's 2x, 21x. There's no way to produce a difference of 1. So it's neither one of these guys. Let's come to here. That's 3x, 14x. Can 3x and 14x have a difference of just 1? No. But look here. A 2 and a 3x will be 6x. 1 and 7x is 7x. They have a difference of 1. So all I need to decide now is who gets the positive and who gets the negative here. Who's going to be, is it going to be plus 2 or is it going to be minus 2? Well, let's see. This gives me 6x. That gives me 7x. I need to lose more than I gained. I need a minus 1x. That tells me that the minus is going to be right here. So I have 7x times the negative 1 is going to create the minus 7x. The plus will be here so that I get a positive 6x. So positive 6x, negative 7x creates the negative x. 2, negative 1 creates the negative 2. And 7x, 3x creates my 21x squared. That's the guy right there. Number 18.